In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bereal app on Android. If you've heard about Bereal but haven't tried it yet, this quick walkthrough will get you set up the recommended way using the Google Play Store. Bereal is a social app built around authenticity. Once a day, at a random time, you're prompted to share one real photo using both your front and back cameras. No filters, no endless retakes, just a snapshot of real life as it happens. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the safest, most reliable place to get the app. If you don't see it on your home screen, swipe up to open your app drawer and look for the multicolored triangle icon labeled Play Store. Make sure you have a steady internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, so the download goes smoothly. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Bereal. As you type, suggestions may appear. Go ahead and finish typing the full name. In the search results, look for the official listing labeled Bereal. Your friends for real. That tagline helps you confirm you've got the right one. You can also open the app page to read a brief description and reviews to make sure it matches what you expect. When you're ready, tap Install. Your phone will download the app and handle the installation automatically. The time this takes can vary based on your connection speed and available storage. If you see a message about space, consider clearing a little room before trying again. It's also a good idea to keep your screen on and your device charged or connected to power while the download completes. Once the install button changes to Open, tap Open to launch Bereal. You'll land on the welcome screen where you can create an account or sign in if you already have one. From there, you're set to start using the app's signature daily prompt. When you get the notification, you'll capture a photo with your back camera and a quick selfie with your front camera at the same time, then share it with your friends for a genuine peek into your day. That's all there is to it. Open the Google Play Store, search for Bereal, select Bereal. Your friends for real. Tap Install, and then Open. Keep your connection stable, ensure you have enough storage, and you'll be ready to join in and post your daily Bereal in just a few minutes.